Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is Unit 9 lesson 1 to 4 reading done. So let's start our class. This is Unit 9 and this unit's title is Occupations, and here we see this is lesson 1 and 2. Just look at the picture. In this picture we see that here this is a building, and here some firefighters try to put out the fire. Okay, and these two boys are watching this. And now start reading this unit. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work. But Raju didn't mind. Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job, so he earns money for it. Most of the time his work is putting out fires, but he also teaches new firefighters about safety. He likes teaching very much. In his free time, Raju visits schools. He talks to students about fire safety. He tells them what to do if there is a fire. They shouldn't panic. They should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly. So this is the unit, and it's about the firefighters and the fires, okay, and about Raju also. Now this is the next page, and this is lesson 3 and 4. Here we see true false. Read again. Write T for true and F for false. There are 6 sentences here. The first one is, there was a fire at Raju's school when he was in class 5. This is true. And here you have to write here T. Number 2, the teachers left the students in the building during the fire. This is false, because the teachers actually gave the instruction, and the teachers took the students from the fire, and they helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Number 3, Raju didn't see the firefighters put out the fire at his school. This is false. Number 4, Raju always earns money for being a firefighter. This is false, because at first he was a volunteer and then he became a full-time firefighter. So that's why this is false, because when he was volunteer, he didn't get any money for his duty. Number 5, Raju also likes teaching. This is true. Number 6, talking to students is a part of Raju's job. No, this is not Raju's job actually. He likes to talk to the students, and he also likes to visit the schools. This is his hobby actually. That means in his free time or the leisure time, Raju does this. So this is false. Okay students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.